Pray at night when people are asleep. Make it a habit, my brother, my sister. Now that you have connected with people by day and the sun has now set, it is now time to connect with Allah Almighty Al-Malik, the King. ثلاثة. There are three types of people. يحبهم الله. Allah loves them. ويضحك إليهم. And He smiles at them. ويستبشر بهم. And He looks forward to them. And one of the three is ومن له امرأة حسناء وفراش لين فيقوم من الليل فيقول الله تعالى يذر شهوته من أجلي ولو شاء رقد. One of the three people whom Allah Almighty smiles at is a person who has a beautiful spouse at night and a comfortable bedding, but he leaves it and he stands up in prayer. Allah smiles at him and He says, he has left his desire. She left her desire for me. And if they wanted, they could have continued sleeping. You will say to me, what happens if Allah smiles at me? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, وَإِذَا ضَحِكَ اللَّهُ إِلَىٰ عَبْدٍ فَلَا حِسَابَ عَلَيْهِ. If Allah Almighty smiles at a person, then there will be no accountability for you on the day of judgment. So make it a habit that you pray at night